Hi, my name is Sarah and this is Dana, and we are Education Associates at the Aquarium of the Pacific. And so we're involved in a lot of our education programs at the Aquarium, and today we're here with our Aquarium on Wheels. So it's our mobile truck, so we can bring some of our local tide pool animals to the school here.
So we understand we live in a really large area. We understand that it's hard to get your students to the aquarium. And so it's important for us to be able to share these experiences and provide access to programs like ours. One thing that we do is we do an auditorium program. We did that earlier today, got to talk to the students about habitats all around the Pacific Ocean. And then we kind of zoom in a little bit to where we're at right now and we explore a local habitat. So these are touch pool or tide pool animals. Those are going to be the rocky pools of water that you see on the edge of the beach, and they get to come out and explore these animals that are right here in their backyard and they might not have even ever seen them before.
It was so amazing! I saw a starfish. The skin is so rough and then it doesn't move. The big one, the thingy, was so sticky and weird.
We really just want to let the kids know that these animals are here and there's something we can learn about and explore.
And it makes it real. They might hear about these animals, but until you see them, you kind of have that little bit of a disconnect.
I saw a baby shark. The skin is rough.
I thought the shark was going to bite me, but actually didn't. The shark is weird.
So one of my favorite things to do when I come to a school is I love seeing that aha moment on a student's face. The first time they touch a sea urchin or touch a shark, that initial reaction of, oh my gosh, it's sticky or it's pokey or it's spiny or slimy or any of those kind of descriptive words. And then my favorite part is when they turn to their buddy and they tell them what that animal felt like. Touch it. ¿Quieres tocar? Dos deditos. Touch it, Jimmy. There you go. Good job.
I did it.
You did it.